Hey YouTube, JW. Got a new revolver here from Taurus. Take a look at. Got this as a giveaway from Kentucky Gun Company. It is the Model 85 Taurus View concealed carry. It's a new model from Taurus. It's their lightest revolver yet. The colored aluminum frame. It is a 5-shot, 1-inch barrel, and as you can see, that's why they call it the View, because you can see the inner workings. Obviously, it's a hammerless design for concealed carry. It's only a 9-ounce pistol, so it's their lightest firearm yet. Just a fixed front sight. It does have the Taurus key lock safety feature. The MSRP on this is $5.99, but the price from them was about $4.85. It is the Model 85 VTA. 38 special. It will handle plus P. 1.35 inch width, and about a little over 5 inches in length. I mean, and it is light, very light. Some other stuff it came with. Nice little box. This is the key lock stuff in here. Any new Taurus firearm that you purchase, you will automatically receive a 1-year membership to the National Rifle Association, which I'm already a member and have been for many years, so I don't need that, but I think it's great that Taurus is doing that. I didn't buy this gun, and this is my first Taurus firearm, but I like Taurus. The gun was made in Brazil. They've got a nice quality control, and they make good firearms. Taurus makes some good 1911s. I know that. And once again, I'd like to thank Kentucky Gun Co. for giving me this gun. And here it is compared to my Armscar M206, which is also a 38 special, but it's a 2-inch barrel, hammer, exposed, and basically a full-size 38. So, I mean, you can see the difference in the size of these guns, and you can't feel it through the camera, but I mean, this is like nothing. I mean, it weighs nothing, and that's what you want in a concealed carry firearm. Like I said, it will handle plus P. I have not fired this gun yet. I will be doing a shooting video shortly, but I would imagine it's pretty snappy with only weighing 9 ounces. The grip, I have medium-sized hands for a man, so relatively small-sized hands. So if you had big meat hooks, big paws, this would be pretty small in your hand. I like the construction of the firearm. Seems to be built well. This is metal. I mean, it's just a tight lock up, and that's kind of a cool added feature. The View. That's pretty much pretty much it. All I can say about it, but very cool. And stay tuned for the range video. I'm going to take it out and put it through its paces with different types of ammo and see what we get. I'm expecting it to work just fine, but I haven't had time to shoot it yet, but it'll be coming up probably this weekend, so stay tuned. And I appreciate you guys watching, and have a good one. Thanks.